आते थे गाड़ी नहीं
Okay, so right now we are in
Soradio madam.
Soraidio Moidam. Soraidio Moidam. Let's go see what's inside. Koi ticket. There's so many cars here. None of them are for sale.
Toilet, ticket, museum ticket, DSR, Bali Moidan.
I love Soraidio.
I love myself.
This is
So, this is basically, as you can see, burial system of the Ahom dynasty. जो जितने भी लोग शहीद हुए तो इस मैदान में ही उन लोगों को बरी किया गया है. तो देखते हैं. Seems majestic, but if you think it's a sad place to be here.
ticket counter. So this is where we have to buy a ticket. Tourist counter come ticket tourist reception center. Sadly we can't make any video here.
Can?
So
तो नागोस से
videography is restricted.
तो आपको आना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे देखने के लिए. हम दिखा नहीं पाएंगे.
Yep. Sad. Okay, so we are out of the heritage site now. Sucking onto this ice cream.
Side by side.
So right now we are deciding where to go next.
ওখানে খাওয়া দাওয়া হতো জোয়ালে যদি খাস দাম যদি কম হয় তো ওখানে খাই দিম
380 per plate.
আর যে জিজ্ঞাসা করে দেখুম
পরে কথা না.
জিজ্ঞাসা করে দেখুম
আর কিছু নাই নাকি দেখার?
নাই
দেখালো একবার চেক করে.
এই রাস্তা নাই, এই রাস্তা এই দুইটাই আছে.
তাহলে কোন দিক দিয়ে যাবো আমরা?
এটা সেম রাস্তা.
নাইস.
এটাই হাইওয়ে, আর হাইওয়ে নাই. এই হাইওয়েটা গিয়ে একদম পুরো ডিব্রুগড়ের সামনে হাইওয়েটা জয়েন করব.
আচ্ছা.
বহুত দূর, এটা সোনারি পার হয়ে
সোনাগাছি পার হয়ে
শিবসাগর ওই যে না তো শিবসাগর ঢুকতে লাগবে জমি.
স্যারাডন একটা লইতে লাগবো, মাথা ব্যথা.
ঠিক আছে,
চার্জ নাই ফোনটা.
চল এবার জিগাই দেখি না কিবা থাকি কোন দিকে.
What is this? Saraido.
ও এখানে তো মিউজিয়ামে ঢুকি না. আরে
Oh, this is the museum.
দেখি আবার মিউজিয়ামে.
ওদিক থেকে ওটা है entrance. We are here. In the museum. Saraido. Let's go inside. Let's go. Museum. Are you excited? Yo, D Kidder, are you excited?
अभी हिस्ट्री क्लास करेंगे.
Yes. Oh, wait, helmet. Safety is the last priority as usual. Nice. Oi, hoi, hoi.
লাগলো কি না?
Nice view. Look at this. Look at this beautiful view.
बहुत मस्त व्यू है. That's our
And
king.
yes. Oh, the air. Ho 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 ho. The nice breeze. Ah, so nice here. Say cheese. Cheese.
Filming allowed नहीं बच्चों.
Bhitarot allow nahi filming.
Yeah, so we are out from the museum, and this is what we learned. First of all, we saw King Sukhafa. He, when he was at a very young age, he took greetings and blessings from his cousin, whose name is King Sukanfa. He was the king of the Yunnan province of China, and then he came for India. I mean, King Sukhafa came for India, and then he entered, and on the banks of the river, on the banks of Namruk, which is now known as Namrup, he performed the first Medam Mefi. And also we saw inscriptions and carvings on the wall, and I got to know the name of the chief queen. Her name was Queen Nanglang. So as per the portrait, as per the carvings, she was very beautiful, and we could see the archaeological department of India. They dug many modams, and from there they found out the bones of the bodies, along with they found out the beautiful jewelry. I'll say jewelry or wearables, which was made out of ivory carvings, as well as gold necklaces, as well as pendants, and iron coins, ivory buttons, and a few more. Then we found out what else we saw. Yeah, we saw that King Sukhafa was preparing a strategy for the battle from bamboo inscriptions. So there were some
Predicting the battle.
it's not predicting battle. He was strategizing about the battle. So there were carvings in the bamboo. So along with the villagers, along with the secretaries and army men, generals of that time, he was preparing for the battle from the bamboo carvings. That is the main part. And what more?
Before settling, they were using the weight of the water. They're doing something to know that.
He was checking how fertile the soil is, along with what is the density of the water for the civilization to take place in that area. One very nice thing we saw in a huge stone there was a, I'll not say fossil, but there was a carving, an inscription of a mythical creature. It seemed to be something like a rhinoceros, but in the dinosaur area or dinosaur era maybe. So that is something which we found out. So chalo, abhi water filling time, and then we'll go back. There are 2 more places to visit. See you there. Bye.